deskless workforce management system. That is a big word. Today we'll be considering Connecteam, which allows you to manage your team whether they're on a site or they're just working remotely. So follow me and let's check out what Connecteam has in store. Connecteam is a workforce or employee management system which allows you to manage your employees wherever they are working from. And this is fantastic if they're not plugged into a work desk. It offers cool features such as employee tracking, task tracking, scheduling, and communication. You can also find awesome analytics and reporting tools. But what really makes Connecteam stand out from the rest? Employee time clock. This effortless feature helps you to shift tracking in real time along with data feeds. Employee scheduling, efficient scheduling and time off management, communication and engagement for team communications, company newsfeed, and secure messaging. Task management, Connecteam offers real-time task assignment and monitoring, training and onboarding, interactive training modules with tracking and quizzes, workplace directory and wiki, easy to use directory for employee contact details and best practices. Connecteam offers the opportunity for great integrations such as Gusto, Paycheck, QuickBooks, and Xero, and they offer an open API for custom integrations. Overall, Connecteam is built for a specific group of companies that have a deskless workforce. They've got a well-tiered pricing structure, including a completely free tier. They've got fantastic engagement tools, and they allow you to go beyond the basics of just time tracking and employee tracking. In my opinion, Connecteam is one of the best desktop employee management systems. If you'd like to try it out, head over to their website, check out their free trial, and see how it works for you. We'll catch you in another awesome video. Peace out.